What's up, Pineapple Tribe? Welcome to another edition of Pineapple Tribe TV. I'm your host, Mr. BZ. In this week's episode, we'll talk about memes, germinating seeds, how to make cool slow motion videos, and how to make sure you're keeping your house free from germs during quarantine. But first, let's take a look at some of last week's submissions to the Tribe Scribe COVID-19 journal, and then talk about this week's prompt. Last week, we talked about studies that have shown that people claim to experience depression and anxiety more frequently during quarantine. We received responses from 6th, 7th, and 8th graders all over town. Once again, we would like to thank all of you who submitted a response. We hope that you guys are enjoying staying in contact with each other and hearing what other students around town have to say about the current pandemic. Our Week 3 topic has been posted. To find it, go to the Tribe Scribe, click Project 1 in the top corner, and click the link for Week 3, May 18th. This week's prompt builds on last week's prompt. Last week, we talked about people who may be experiencing mental health issues due to being quarantined. While not everyone who responded to the Tribe Scribe has been negatively affected by quarantine, others either have been or know somebody who has been. So, this week, we want you to submit a response that addresses the following. Last week, we learned that many people are struggling with their mental health during quarantine. If you could give all of those people a message of encouragement or positivity, what would you say? To submit your response, click the link under the question and fill out the form, just like last week. Now, let's get into episode 4 by starting with Mr. Thomas and a fun assignment about memes. Mr. Thomas, take it away.
Thanks, Mr. BZ. Mr. Thomas here, and this week we want to see your meme-making ability. Pineapple Tribe would like you to create a meme about your favorite or least favorite subject in school and add it to our Google Slides presentation. You can create a meme about a specific subject or a topic within your favorite subjects. To do so, use the link to the Google Slides presentation in the description below. Select one of the blank slides, upload your photo from Google or your computer, and then add text boxes on the top and bottom of the image to create your own words for your meme. If there is a meme you like already, copy and paste it to a blank slide in the presentation. You can see my example by visiting the link below. Our favorites will be featured on the Tribe Scribe companion blog this week. Thanks for watching, and back to you.
Thanks, Mr. BZ. Miss Thomas here. If you've ever had me as a teacher, you definitely know how much I love plants. Well, as the weather is getting warmer, it is time to start thinking about growing your own food in your kitchen or a yard. This can be done easily with a little help from your parent or guardian. In fact, you don't even have to buy seeds from the store. All you need are some fruits and veggies that you have in your kitchen, such as apples, squash, tomatoes, and lemons, plus a Ziploc bag and a damp paper towel. So let's go ahead and get started. With assistance and supervision from an adult, go ahead and slice your fruit open like so. You should see seeds instantly. Go ahead and pick the seeds out of the fruit. Depending on which fruit or veggie you selected, the seeds will vary in shape, size, and even color. Once you have all of your seeds out, go ahead and give them a good rinse under the sink. Next, we are going to go ahead and get our paper towel damp. Not wet, damp. So you just want to gently dip it in some water. And you're just going to really give it a good squeeze. Get all that excess water out so we don't have mold. Okay. Next, you're going to try to add your paper towel in your Ziploc bag. You want to get it as flat as possible. So you don't want to roll it in a ball and just shove it in there. Try to get it as flat as possible. So once you've done this, now you can go ahead and start adding your seeds. You want to try to put your seeds in the middle as opposed to the bottom. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. And make sure you do spread your seeds out. All right, now firmly go ahead and push on the bag and the seeds. Seal up your Ziploc bag. Also, if you do have reusable Ziploc bags like I do, I highly recommend you use those as opposed to the one-time plastic. So once you have closed your Ziploc bag, all you need to do is go ahead and put this in a sunny window. So depending on which fruit or veggie you selected to grow, the growth time will vary. However, you should see roots and leaves sprouting within just a few short weeks. Once you have your roots, go ahead and get some soil and watch them grow. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's science experiment. I hope to see you next week. Take care.
What's up, y'all? So today, instead of doing PE or music, I decided to do something with water since it's getting hot outside. If you guys have access to water balloons and maybe a slow-mo feature on your phone, you could try some stuff like this. It's really cool. It looks cool. Hope you guys like it. Well, that's my video for the week. Stay froggy, y'all.
Welcome to the kitchen, guys. It's Miss Jessica here. I would like to give you some tips on how to keep your kitchen really clean. So, the first step is you want to wipe down all your surfaces with hot water and soap. That includes the sink, the refrigerator, the oven, the counters, the cabinet handles. Everything that people touch, wipe down with soap and water. And then the next step is to disinfect with alcohol wipes or a bleach water mix. This really kills all the germs. During these times, you also want to make sure you've been wearing a mask and gloves while you're preparing food for your loved ones. Hope you're staying safe and clean and well fed. Have a great day.
Well, that's all we have for you this week. Please make sure to give us a like by hitting the thumbs up underneath the video. Also, click the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can stay up to date on our episodes. See you next week. Stay wacky and sweet and always look out for each other, especially right now. Pineapple Tribe, signing off.
We're feeling alright, yeah.